my viewers, I welcome you once again to Buchi Online Maths. Today we have this question that says, in triangle PQR, that's triangle PQR, angle P equals 120 degrees. This is the angle P here. Angle Q equals 45 degrees. This is the angle Q. And line QR, this is line QR, the longest side, equals 5 centimeters. Then we are asked to calculate line PR, which is this other line. Okay, so what I will just do is to call the line which we are asked to find X. Let me just call this line X, because we are asked to find PR. The formula we are going to use here is the sine rule, which says that the sine of angle, because we are given this side and we are given the angle facing it, we are given this angle, but we are looking for this side. I can comfortably say that X over sine 45 equals 5 over sine 120. That is the sine rule, right? Okay, we are looking for X. So what we'll do now is to make sure that X becomes the subject of this formula. That is to bring out X so that we can find the value of X, right? Okay, now to do this, what we are going to do is to cross multiply, right? So when we cross multiply, this is the sign of cross multiplication. We are going to use X to multiply sine 120 degrees, which will give us X sine 120 equals, we use 5 to multiply sine 45. It's going to give us 5 sine 45. Okay, now let's find sine 120 as well as sine 45 using your 4-figure table or calculator. Alright, so let's look for sine 120 degrees. Sine 120 degrees will give us 0 point, so we have X 0.8660. That's to 4 decimal places. Okay? Equals, this is 5 times, let's look for sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees will simply give us 0.7071. Alright? Okay, so we're almost getting our answer. What we do now is to multiply 5 by 0.7071, and we can do it here. We can continue from here. We say therefore X 0 point, or we can write 0 point X. We can say 0.8660X, as this, equals, let's use 5 to multiply 0.7071. Let's see what it's going to give us. So we say 5 times 0.7071. It will give us 3.5355. Right? Okay, so finally, let's divide both sides by this, because we are looking for X, and X is being multiplied by 0.8660. To make X the subject of the formula, we are going to divide both sides by that thing that is multiplying X, right? So this will give us, on the left hand side, we have 0.8660X all over 0.8660 equals 3.5355 all over the same thing, 0.8660, right? So that this will cancel this. We are left with X equals, now let's divide this, the upper one, by the lower one. So we are going to have 3.5355 divided by 0.8660, and the answer is 4.08 cm. Now, they gave you this one in whole number. This is 5 cm, but you have got your answer for x in 2 decimal places, because this is 2 decimal places. After this decimal point, we count how many digits you have on the right hand side. You have 0 and 8, that's 2 digits, making it 2 decimal places, right? So to turn this to one whole number is going to be x equals 4, because the next number is not up to 1, we count it as 0. It's not up to 5, it is still 0. If it is from 0 to 4, we count it as 0. But if it is from 5 and above, we count it as 1. So here we are going to call it 0, and the answer is going to give us 4 centimeters. Right. So this is the answer to this question. Please, I will advise you, if you have understood this, if you have enjoyed what we did, please go to our Facebook page, Uchi Online Maths, and subscribe. Share our videos and watch them. Like our page, go to YouTube channel, Uchi Online Maths, and subscribe to our channel. Share our videos. Thank you, and God bless you.